In this video, I am going to explain you how to interpret two cards in a spread, lay them side by side and look for connections, contrast and overall meaning. There are 5 or 6 ways to phrase your question. Let's do it step by step. So, situation advice. One card will tell you what is happening, another card will tell you what to do about it. Decision making. One card will tell you what might unfold if you follow one path, another card will tell you outcome of the alternative choice. Release receive. One card will tell you what need to be let go of, another card will tell you what need to be accepted. You, the other person. One card will tell your energy, intentions and role, other card will tell how the other person's energy relates or contrast. Problem solution. One card will tell the challenges or the block, another card will tell you how to overcome it. Past future. One card will tell you recent influences, another card will tell you where the things are heading. Let's break them down and look at how they interact. So, the magician. You have everything you need to create the reality you desire. The magician is the master of 4 elements: mind, body, spirit, emotions. This card is a bold yes to stepping into your power. 10 of Wands, you are overloaded with the burden of responsibilities or even your ambitions. It is a signal to release or restructure your load before it breaks you. So this combo tells a story of potential followed by great pressure. Let's understand its general meaning. You are in the phase of intense creation, but perhaps trying to do everything alone. Your talents and skills are undeniable, but you have led you to take on more than is sustainable. Trust in your ability, but be kind to yourself. You don't need to prove anything by carrying it all. Let go of what is not truly yours to hold, and your magic will shine brighter. Let's interpret love reading. You have investing intentions and passion in your relationship or in seeking one. You are manifesting connection. You are taking on the weight of the relationship alone. So in a way, it is one-sided. You may be carrying emotional burden that should be shared. You are trying to fix, heal, or hold the relationship solo. Remember, you should not casting all the spells alone. Relationship flourish together. Let go of that does not serve you anymore. Return to the spark that made love feel exciting rather than heavy. Romance is not a job, it's a dance. Love should lift, not weigh you down. So the pairing speaks to creation, potential, and heavy cost of ambition.